Hi friends, in this video we will learn about the access tier of our storage account and what is the use of those and what are the options available in our Azure to handle with this. So for that, let's understand the, you can say, this theory behind this. So Azure storage. So basically means your data is important, and for this, but means after time period the importance of the data has been changed and the access level also changed. Let's say maybe after, let's say, 30 days you don't require that data access frequently, then you can change that into another tier which is less costly. So for that we have a different tier available with us, like this hot tier. You can say this hot tier is there, and you can say cool tier is there, and cold, and then archive. So means the cost of this is, you can say, is less if we will move from, you can say, hot to archive for storage. But for you can say this, if you want to retrieve, you can say this archive to hot tier, then it's a costly. Okay, so this is a you can say different tier, and we will let's check this in our Azure portal. What are the options available with us in on Azure for this? So for that go to, and this is our account. Let's go there again. Let's open this, our account, and then you need to go to configurations, and on a configuration you are able to see this tier here. By default is hot and cool and cold, and archive is not available at your this account level. It's available at your this. From here you can change that what is the default for this account. You can create that. Okay, and let's check that how you can set these things. So in our data we have this file. Okay, in this file, if you get this change tier, and here you can consider this cold archive. Okay, let's do this. So the archive will make your blob inaccessible until it is hydrated back to the hot or cool. Make this several hours. Okay, let's save this. Now you are not able to access this. So for that, if you want to access, then you need to initiate the tier to, you can say, hot, and it will take some time. Let's do this. For demo purpose we are able to do that, but think of if you have more records or more files with you, then it will take a lot of time. Okay, so now we discuss about this archive tier. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.